Today we're going to talk about the foldable workbench from Stanley. It has a weight rating of 455 kilograms. It's pretty easy to carry in both your hands, portable, and it can be used for various carpentry work, woodwork. So I'll show you the entire product, how it looks like from both the sides. It has a lockable clip here probably. I'll see how that works once you unpack it. It's the dimensions of the product: 85 by 0.5, 42 into 73.5 centimeters, and you can use it, as you see, with a lot of different things for woodwork. I just pull out. This just comes off, so pretty much, and both the workbenches are interlocked, so it's pretty compact for storage. And here you have some safety instructions. So I'll just detach this clip, and it comes off like this. And there's another clip here on the other side. So that's it. There's two separate workbench, and the legs come out like this, and pretty straightforward. I must say it's very easy to assemble and quite stable. I'm starting to like this product in terms of ease of assembly.